Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice, and this is one of our brand new Sea Ray 190 SPX. So what we're going to do, we're going to kind of go through the boat, and I'll point out some of the options as well. This particular boat also comes with a galvanized trailer. You've got the big Mercury 154 stroke back here. The outboards have been very, very popular because there's very little maintenance compared to some of the other propulsion systems, as well as very minimal draft as well. And you have a tremendous amount of room inside the boat because you don't have the engine in here. So this one gives you a lot of room in the back. You can put a cooler in there, water toys, things along that line. If you notice, for a 19-foot boat, pretty high sides for safety, very comfortable here for our captain's chairs, and plenty of room here on the dash, tilt steering wheel. You also have your Fusion stereo depth finder up in the front and the bow area. You've got your grab rails on both sides. Vinyls are very heavy duty, easy to take care of. So basically, this is a brand new Sea Ray 190 SPX, and it's offered by MarineMax Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Our number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.